Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to install Composer. So Composer is PHP dependency package manager, and one of the reasons I'm doing this video is so that in the future, when I do any projects that relate to Composer or anything that requires Composer to work, I just want to be able to refer to this video so that you guys can see as to how it's being, how is it installed and how you can use it and so forth. Um, yeah, so for if you want to install Composer, all you have to do is just go to Google, just type in Composer. It should be the first result. If not, just go to that link. Let me just click on this link over here. So all you have to do is just go to the link where it says https :/getcomposer.org, and then you should be able to land on the page that you're seeing right now. All right, so like I said, it's a dependency manager for PHP. So with Composer, you can run certain commands to install certain things that relate to PHP and all of that. So this is the page where you would have to go in order to get to Composer. So by clicking that link over there or the button there that says download, it should take you to another page such as this one. So the installation process that I'm going to show you is actually for Windows, but if you want to install Composer using on Mac or on Linux, I think this procedure that you see here should work for Mac as well. But yeah, this is a command line installation procedure. So all you have to do to install it either on Linux or Mac, I think you should just run all of these commands that you see over there, or follow the steps that you see on this particular page, and you should be able to install Composer. So, but we're gonna install it using a .exe installation file for Windows. So all you have to do is just click on the link there that says Composer Setup.exe, and then it should download the installation file for Composer. So I already have it installed on my machine. So just click on it. It'll download to whichever folder that you've selected as your download folder. Like I said, I already have it installed, so there it is over there. So now I'm just going to proceed with the installation itself. So I'm just going to click on there and wait for the wizard to pop up and run Composer. So now as soon as the wizard pops up, just click on run. And then this is a virtual machine where I'm installing this utility. So I'm just going to click on install for me. But if you have a machine and you want other people to be able to access Composer, just click on install for all users, and then it should be installed for everyone. So I'm just going to click on install for me. All right, so just bear with me, guys. It's been a while since I installed Composer, so certain things I just don't remember. I only remember about a few things, but you can read this. I don't think you need to take anything here. We're not gonna use developer mode or whatever that is, but just click on next. Okay, so this is the most important part. So in a previous video or in another video, I showed how to install PHP, MySQL, and Apache using XAMPP. And so my PHP is currently installed. If I were to just check, um, it's currently installed within my root folder for XAMPP. So if you go down a little bit, you'll see there's a PHP folder there. And then it's currently located in my C drive, XAMPP, and then PHP. So the file that you see on this, the folder path that you see over there, that's the folder path to my PHP install, where my PHP is set up. So if you don't see any other, if you don't see if it doesn't automatically pick up where your PHP is installed, you click on browse, and then from there, or you browse to wherever you have your PHP set up, and then just select it, and then it'll show up there. Composer will never work if it doesn't find where your PHP installation is. So just make sure you got that. And so, like I said, I've set up mine using XAMPP. So mine is going to be in C drive, XAMPP, PHP, and then that.php file there. So now I'm just going to click on next, and then the proxy settings, you don't need this. I don't know what you would need this for, but just ignore this. Just click on next, and then this is just the what you call it, the overall proceed what you call it. This is just a preview of where how your setup is. So just leave that and then click on install. Okay, usually I don't think the installation takes long, but I'm just gonna pause the video just in case, and we will return once it's done installing. Okay, looks like it's already done. So you must open a new command window to use Composer, blah 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 blah, whatever. So let's click on next, and then yeah, if you want to view the online documentation, you can tick on that, and then automatically it will take you to the documentation. But I'm not gonna tick that, so I'm just gonna click on finish. So now Composer should be installed. So now how we're gonna check it? I'm just gonna click on CMD. All right, so I think it's Composer dash V. Okay, let's just go up. All right, so if you're in Composer in file is, I mean, if you manage to set up Composer successfully, you should be able to see all of this after you type in Composer-V. So it's just going to show the version of Composer that you're running, and then the rest is just the number of command lines or commands that you can use with Composer. So we don't need to stress too much about this. The other way we can test and see if Composer works is that, for example, if we come back to my, so where I have XAMPP installed, like I said, it's C drive. Then you go to the XAMPP folder, which is, okay, let me just show it from scratch. So it's C drive and then XAMPP. And then I'm going to go into the HT docs. So this is where you would set up your applications. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that path. I'm going to come in here, just going to say CLS, clean that up. And then what I'm going to say, I'm going to install Laravel within this particular, what you call it, particular folder path. This is where you would set up your applications when you, or PHP or something like that, when you are within your web server. So from here, I'm going to say Composer, and then I'm going to say, is it create? I think it's create project. And then I think I have to say Laravel, and then Laravel. Wait, I don't think we need a trailing slash there. So it's Composer, create project, Laravel, Laravel. Then we have to give it a name. So the name is going to be, I think the latest Laravel version is Laravel 8. Let me just say Laravel app. I think that's it. So if I've done everything correctly, it should create a Laravel project within our within where our web server stores the web application. So I'm just gonna press enter. Okay, so it looks like it's running, and yeah, it's gonna download the latest version of Laravel. So um, so let's just give it a couple more seconds. Loading Composer repositories with package information. Okay, so currently as you see, there's nothing in here. If I were to refresh, I don't think it's created the folder yet. So it's gonna create that new Laravel app folder, and then it's gonna install all the packages for Laravel within that folder. And then once it's done, I'm gonna pause the video now. Once it's done, we will just check and see if it works, and then yeah, we should be done from there. One moment for me, please. Alright guys, so Composer is done installing Laravel, so looks like everything is complete with no issues. So let me just refresh this folder here. Oh snap, I didn't install it within this folder path. So it looks like I'm still in my root folder. So if I go back, I should see, where is it? Hold on. Okay, I don't know where I did my installation for. Oh, I think I know where it is. Um, There it is there. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. I made a mistake. I didn't actually, I was supposed to cd into the htdocs folder. So instead, I went into my root folder, and that's where it installed the Laravel app um, for the Laravel app that we just imported just now. In any case, if I were to cd into it, Actually, I don't even need to do that. So what I want to do is open this. Let me see. Should I open this? I want to open this with Sublime Text. VS Code takes forever to open up and it consumes a lot of resources. So what I want to do is I just want to run the server to see everything is running accordingly. So what I need to do now is open folder. Actually, let me drag it here. Cancel this. Then I'm just gonna drag this here. Okay. So now that's my Laravel application, and then what I'll do is cd into it from the terminal here. Okay. Then now I'm gonna say PHP artisan. Is it artisan? And then serve. Right. Okay. So now if you go to that link over there or the server there, let's say 128, 127. I mean 0.0.0.1, and then the port is 800. Okay, so looks like we managed to successfully install our composer, and then as you can see that we managed to also install our Laravel application using composer. So if you did everything correctly, you should be able to, or you should be able to get to this point in terms of composer itself. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I only did this video so that in case in the future, if I need to do anything Laravel composer related, I can refer to this video just so that you guys can see how to install it on your machines. Like I said, I use the Windows one, so for those of you who are using Mac and Linux, just follow the other installation process, like I showed you in the beginning, and then you should be able to run Composer on your machine. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the videos, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here. Again, guys, thanks for the support. For those of you who haven't done so already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys within the next video. All right, cheers for now.